So product and lifestyle photography. So I bought these props with my own money. Yes, these are some glasses. So there's some blue light blocking glasses. There's like these. There's some sunglasses in different styles, and there's some novelty glasses. Now, to photograph some of these, because they're dark sunglasses, we need to get out of the rain and snow. So we come to sunny Las Vegas, where we're gonna meet with some friends and use them as models to help me showcase not only the product but the lifestyle associated with the product. I had some ideas, but you know, we'll see where the day takes us. This should be a fun shoot, so stay with us. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charles Wollertz, Wollertz Photography, and in this channel we explore all things photography. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Hey, you made it!
Hi!
Hi! These are my friends, Kim and Nick. You might recognize them from our previous video. So look, this is what I got. I don't know which ones you like. We can pick some and do a couple pictures in here, and then a couple more to go outside. That's the blue light blockers. So that's the ones that help you sleep, because it blocks the blue light from the LEDs and everything else. Okay. Those are aviator sunglasses. You can choose whatever you want. Yeah, those look good. But I have an idea. Let's do those here with the mirror. I want to see if I can get a picture close up. Let me find some props. Okay. All right, so in this one, let me change my camera settings here because I'm way too dark. You can't get closer, can you? Okay, looking at it. Perfect. Let's get the hearts and go over by the window. Okay. I have an idea. I don't know how it's gonna look. Sideways. Get close, like you're looking at what's going on in town. So I'm gonna try to blur these things by getting close, okay, and get more of you just kind of looking. We need to match the louvers here. More idea with the blue light blockers. Okay. And I'll have you.
These are actually really cute.
So I was sitting on the floor. Yeah, sit on the floor, lean on the bed, and I'm gonna grab my Lume Cube to get the effect of the blue light.
So use my phone.
Yeah, use your phone. And I'm gonna sit here and get a close up. Yeah, I see the blue. Perfect. All right, hold on. All right, so now we're down in the stairwell. Now you guys got to remember, even though Kim looks like a model, she hasn't been trained as a model. So I need to, everything that happens, I need to guide her in posing and how to do, you know, everything to get the better pictures. So here, I'm gonna have you stand straight a little bit, and then turn your body to the right, left, yeah, like that. And I think that's a good shot there. Hold it. Okay, now here in the stairwell, lean back a little bit so you get a little bit of direct sunlight, and I'll try to get those buildings in the background. There we go, like that. Now you're all lit up. Perfect. Now let's try Nick again up here, but now I want you looking out and turn your head towards me a little bit. All right, so now that we're done here, I guess since we're in Vegas, we might as well go and enjoy downtown and see what we get on out there. Let's go. As a photographer, you sometimes might find yourself in some awkward positions. I also had the idea of taking pictures indoors with the glasses as they're intended to be used in a restaurant. This is the blue light that the glasses block. And then I thought it'd be a good idea to take it outside and get some implied motion with traffic and headlights. The idea with this photo shoot was to include the product and daily activities, just random shots of people doing things. I know I have my favorite photos from the shoot, and I know my client's going to be very happy with the images also. Subtle product placement is key. It's showing the product as it's going to be used, but not making it obvious that we're selling something. And then we also did go to the desert and took some pictures, and it was a great day, but this is for another video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.